Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This is their Flamingo Egg Bath Bomb. It's very pretty and it has some colored sea salt on top. And I have my little bath helper. I'm trying to show her where to put it in the tub. She always just drops it right along the side where you guys can't see it. But this bath bomb, love it. It smells like cotton candy. And of course it's pink and blue, so very reminiscent of that. It costs $7.95 and it's 6.8 ounces. And I did really enjoy pretty much all the Easter bath bombs, really. They were all pretty cool. This one I love most that it was just so bright and neon. Though I don't think it stained our skin, which is a big plus. A lot of times when companies use the neon pinks or like really dark reds, that can tint your skin a little bit. But I don't recall this one doing that, which I love. And it was pretty active. Did rock back and forth, creating blue and pink stripes in the tub. And of course, my skin felt really good after the bath. They normally have a lot of oils and things in their bath bombs where your skin really feels moisturized when you get done. And if you've missed the other Easter bath bombs, I have most of them posted already, and I plan on doing all the seasonal ones. So if you like that sort of thing, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do all sorts of bath bomb demos. Most of the bath bombs that I review do have stuff hidden inside, whether that's jewelry, toys, money, all sorts of fun stuff. So here's the very end where the water turned purple. It's absolutely gorgeous. Definitely love this bath bomb. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.